Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. A lot of you have asked for an update on AVAX. The pressure is down, but we are still holding above support. So the overall situation on this chart has not changed. So AVAX, possible scenarios that I'm tracking here. 1 second. Possible scenarios I am tracking here from a bullish point of view. Let's talk about the short-term bullish count first. That is currently offering, I would say, a good reward to risk ratio. However, there is at the moment no sign of a low. So I would be careful to catch this. I would try not to catch this falling knife until we get a reversal signal. But that could happen quickly. Again, it's always, I mean, we've had this so many times in this cycle that we had these rapid sell-offs, okay? Or not necessarily rapid sell-offs, but yeah, strong sell-offs over time. I mean, this correction started in December, and then at the end, everybody gets bearish, and then the reversal happens so quickly. Yeah. So not necessarily here on the AVAX chart. I mean, you could argue maybe that was not that impulsive here, but there were other charts that rallied substantially from the August low, and it happened so quickly. Now, what we can say is that here on the AVAX chart, bullish point of view, A wave down, yeah. B wave up, C wave down, a flat correction, could still go lower. We talk about that in this video where it could go to, and then a C wave rally to $100 plus. Possible, yeah, but as I said, we have to see if the market does react to this support area between 1250 and 1675. What we can track as well is a Fibonacci extension area. That's the target area. So we take the initial A wave down. Question is, of course, do I start measuring here or here? That is a bit tricky on this chart. Let me start at the top, and then we measure that, go to the high, and this gives us a Fibonacci extension zone. Now, you will see that the lower ones are below the standard support area, so ideally, the price holds above 1250. So the additional level to watch for is $15.10. That is let's say in contrast to the standard retracements here in orange. This is a target area based on the internal structure. A and C tend to have the same length. So 1674 and 1510 are the next support levels. The white count, no, not the white, the blue count allows for much more downside, even to new lows. And exactly because of the risk of that blue count, I would not want to catch the falling knife, but you know, you can do that. It depends on your trading plan essentially and how you want to do that. But normally, whenever we're dealing with a chart like that has corrected already, yeah, around about 70%. Yeah, we want to see at least some kind of a 1-2 setup, because where would you set the stop? There's no level where you could set a stop without getting a first upside signal. So what is typically, I would say, reasonable is to watch for a first rally, maybe above the last high, and then a higher low. And then you could set a stop below that low. That's at least reasonable. This is still sell-off in the making, and we can zoom in. First of all, what would be the earliest signal that a low is in? Well, it would be a break above $22.60. And yeah, I don't really have a very, very clear micro count. I mean, I have run out of wave degrees, so best I can say is maybe this is wave 1 off C, wave 2. We're now working on wave 3. Then there could be another 4 and another 5. That could take us to that blue target level there that I mentioned. I'm not confident at all about this micro count for various reasons, but yeah, not too confident. But it seems to be an extended C wave, if that's the wave count that's playing out. But any break above that wave 2 high, yeah, would indicate it's the first indication we are reversing to the upside. So I would say pay attention to 1670 and then pretty much $15. That's the update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.